Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'll be cooking some gungo pea soup with chicken foot guys, coconut milk, and a little touch, just a little piece of saltfish guys. I like to put saltfish in my pea soup. If it's red pea soup or gungo soup, and it's green gungo guys. So for me personally, it gives me a nice little flavor. Alright, so stay tuned and watch what will be going on. So guys, here I have the chicken foot. I'm about to pressure it right now with some hot water. Yes guys, so here's the gungo. As I said, it's pea soup with chicken foot. Gungo soup. Gungo peas guys, so stay tuned for that. So the chicken foot is now pressuring guys. Well, it not start pressure yet, but it's on the fire. Alright, so stay tuned. So guys, now I am about to make some dumpling. Yes, I made the dough for the dumpling for the soup guys. Child, I only have green banana and some. I'll put some in the soup. I mean, I have no yam nor nothing, no other ground food. But as I said, we're gonna work with what we have. We're gonna drink our soup and enjoy it. Yes, guys. So I wash my hand, guys. That's how it look, guys. So I'm going to cover it and let it rise a little bit. Meanwhile, I'm going to pin the banana them, guys. Yeah. Yes, guys, this is the banana. So I'm gonna peel them now. Yes, guys. This pot a leaking and so you have to stop it. The piece of the dumpling. I don't laugh after the way me make dumpling, you know. And me can't make it like the other people then. So guys, here I have some coconut that I already diced up to blend, guys, for the gungo pea soup. Alright, so I'm just gonna blend now. Sorry about that, guys. So guys, here I have my seasoning that I'm gonna do to season up my gungo pea soup. So I have my scallion, my grease cock soup, my Maggi, kind of turn around, black pepper, garlic. I'm gonna put 1 cut of gold seal margarine, and guys, I have a little piece of saltfish. No bone is into it, guys. I like to add a little piece of saltfish to my bread pea soup or my gungo soup. For me personally, it gives it a good flavor. So you add it for flavor, not for really taste, but so here you have it, my beautiful people, the gungo soup. Yes, guys, chicken foot, coconut milk, and them thing there. Yeah, man. So this is how it look. Okay, so yes, as you can see, maybe you can see it a little better. Yes, guys. The dumpling them cover in this, you know. I want a two dumpling in there, but this now, yeah, you can see it a little better. Yes, guys. So this is it. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell so when I drop another video like this, you will be the first one to be notified. Yes, guys. Bye for now. Bye.